it's Julie Broad with Revenue.com, and today I want to help all of you folks out there who want to become a full-time real estate investor. I've been writing a 5-part series for Canadian Real Estate Wealth magazine, so it seems like a really hot topic around our office these days as we get a lot of emails, and of course we're coaching quite a few people who are working towards becoming a full-time real estate investor. And what's interesting is I hear from people all the time who say, I've calculated it out, I figured it out, and I just need $10,000 a month in income from my rental properties, and then I can quit my job. I just need to buy 5 more rent-to-owns, and then I can quit my job. And the interesting thing is, and it really came to light when I was working with Philip McKernan recently, and you may or may not know him, philipmckernan.com, and he was talking about perfection and seeking perfection and how all of us tend to seek perfection at some place in our life, but by pursuing perfection we set ourselves up for failure. And this rings so true for so many real estate investors because people are often really quite close, right? They're making income from their properties. They have somewhere else, some other way to make some additional income. So there's just a tiny gap between, where they are today and their dream of being, having the freedom and controlling their time as a full-time real estate investor, but they're scared to make that leap because it's not perfect yet. Well, I got bad news for everyone. It is never, ever going to be the perfect time to take that leap. At some point, you're just gonna have to, muster up all that courage you can and just go for it. Believe in yourself, and it's amazing what happens when you do. And maybe it doesn't work out exactly like you think it's going to, but just by having the confidence and the belief in yourself to go for something you want, it'll be, cool things could show up. But of course, you got to figure out how you're going to pay your bills when you're there. So, you might want to look at other alternatives. Can you do some consulting in your current industry? Can you, do you want to be a real estate broker? Do you want to add some other strategy like flipping or wholesaling or rent to own to boost the cash? Because you do have to pay your bills when you become a full-time real estate investor. But if you wait until everything's perfect to do it, you're probably never ever going to make the leap into full-time real estate because it just never ever is going to be perfect. It's kind of like trying to charge through a door frame, right? The door is open and you have one foot through, but the other foot is kind of stuck over here, and that's your job, or that's your whatever situation you're in right now. Your foot's kind of stuck there. And until you move that foot and step fully through that doorway, you won't get where you want to go. That the door frame is always going to be blocking you. So hopefully that helps a little bit. You have to just believe in yourself and go for it. And I'd love to hear from you. What's holding you back? Feel free to make comments wherever you're watching this video, on our blog or on YouTube. Comment and let us know. Look forward to hearing from you.